Are you trying to decide between Jellyfin and Plex? You are not alone. Many people want to know which one is better for streaming their media. In this video, we'll compare Jellyfin and Plex, two popular media server tools. Both help you organize and stream your movies, TV shows, and music. But they have some key differences. Let's start with Jellyfin. It's an open source media server. This means it's free to use and anyone can contribute to its development. With Jellyfin, you can set up your own server and access your media from anywhere. It also offers a nice user interface and supports a wide range of devices. Now, let's talk about Plex. Plex is also a media server, but it has a few extra features. It offers a premium subscription that gives you access to live TV, DVR capabilities, and more. Plex has a polished interface and is very user friendly. It also has a large community, which means lots of support and resources. So, what are the main differences? Jellyfin is completely free and open source, while Plex has a premium tier with added features. Plex also has more built in content options like movies and shows you can rent or buy. Jellyfin, on the other hand, is great if you want full control over your media without paying anything. When it comes to pricing, Jellyfin is free. Plex has both free and paid options. If you want extra features, you'll need to subscribe. In the end, if you want a free and customizable option, go with Jellyfin. But if you prefer an easy to use interface with extra features, Plex is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.